Guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, today I am gonna be making a drink and we're gonna be using zucchini. Yes guys, zucchini. And zucchini helps with arthritis and much more. As we go along into the video, I will list some more of what zucchini does. So I'm gonna use some green apples. So I'm gonna wash these, guys. Don't know if I'm going to use all the apples, but I have 2 packs. So we're going to go along. Now we have some little holes here. You can use and tear the bag. I'm not having any. I was saying I wouldn't have any luck with it, but here we have it. So we're going to wash these apples and our zucchini and ginger, and I have 1 lime. And get back to you guys. This is all my ingredients washed nicely. They're in my bowl. So now we're gonna just cut a small piece of ginger and slice the zucchinis in half. So guys, we are going to be cutting up our fruits. But guys, as for the zucchini, I'm just gonna open it in half, just like this, and we're gonna take off the top part, which is the stem, and we get rid of this. For the ginger, I'm not gonna peel it, guys, because there's a lots of benefit in the skin of the ginger. I cut the ginger up because ginger have some little things in it that, you know, it's good to cut them up. This is what I'm talking about. Let me show you. It's like strings, you see it? So I like to cut them up so they just go through the juicer. Easy. Because the hole that the things come through the trash is a very small one on this juicer. That's on the inside of the cooling. So we're gonna leave 1 zucchini to decorate, or maybe half of it. I'm not certain, but today guys, we are just gonna peel our lime, and we are not going to keep up any time. We're just gonna core. We have some apples that are big and we have some that are small. And guys, remember, don't throw away the skins of your lime. This can make a lovely cup of tea. So we're going to put this one side and we are going to keep going, guys. So let's see the size of the apples. These apples, they are, what did I say, small. So I don't think I have to. The machine can deal with them. So we're gonna get in our juicing. I can't find a big one. They're so small. I might just pour maybe 2 or 3. So guys, I find one. This one is a bit big, so we can pour this one. mix it. They are so tiny. Here's another small one. It's not bad. So guys, let's get into the juicing. I'm not gonna pour much. Guys, we are all ready, and I'm gonna turn on the juicer. So guys, let's start by popping in the apples. So guys, let's pop an apple in and the zucchini, and include zucchini in your diet can help to keep respiratory problem at bay. And if you're looking for a healthy way to lose some weight, it's time for you to start having zucchini. Whether eating it, juicing it, it works the same. Zucchini helps to protect your heart from diseases as it is rich in potassium. And if you want to regulate digestion, zucchini is one of the best things to have, guys. Now our juice is coming in the mixing bowl, and it is looking very nice. And guys, zucchini helps to prevent glaucoma and give you healthy eyes. So I'm stressing on the zucchini today because it's my main ingredient. I add the apple to sweeten it, and a lemon and some ginger. Just those few ingredients will give you a great drink for your body. So let's pop some ginger in, and I can't wait to have this drink. We're gonna pop our lemon in, which you just saw. And guys, the white part in the zucchini help with premature aging. So guys, whether you want to cook it, steam it, whatever you want to make noodles from it, it's very good. So guys, we are almost ready to let out the first batch of juice. The mixing bowl is almost full. So guys, I'm gonna use these to make the second batch. So guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of zucchini, apple, ginger, and key lime. So we're gonna go on into the second batch, guys, and this drink is good for arthritis and much more. So we are going to go over here. We're going to start with this zucchini. I'm going to break it in two, and I'm going to pop it in. So guys, now we are starting all over again, and we're going to do the same thing. So we are popping a piece of the zucchini in, and again I'll give you a little bit more info. It helps to prevent cancer and improve your bones. So much things packed with nutrients, and zucchini help. They said to cure cancer. I don't know how true that is. So guys, I read up on some things about that zucchini has copper, which is very effective in curing asthma. So Google it, guys, and do your own research. So here we have our juice, and the mixing bowl is almost full, and yes, I'm using my Proven Revo 830. which is very easy to clean, easy to wash. Guys, we are gonna let out our second batch of juice. Here you have it, guys. Woo. This is one healthy drink. This also good for weight loss, guys. So let's serve our drink. So guys, let's share our drink out. Let's mix it up a bit. Wow, look how rich this looks. So we're gonna pour our drink out, and I bought these glass in Christmas, but I just didn't use them, so now I'm gonna use them, guys. Wow, look at that. So now, guys, I'm gonna decorate my little area as always, quick and fast. I love slicing my apples like this because they give you a star look. So we're gonna just go in just like that, and with this zucchini, guys, I'll do just some slices. I know it's all green, but I'm gonna put some straws in. And maybe I should just slice the zucchini. I'll move that. So guys, I tried something off camera, so I'm making a little Ghostbusters decoration. Then I'm gonna split it here. So this is how I do it, and I'm gonna put it drinking glass. And guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next upload of healthy tips and healthy things for your body. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. And guys, thank you for your support. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.